In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the CELIA Airdrop, what it is, how to claim it step by step, and how you can benefit from it. Whether you're new to crypto or already familiar with airdrops, this guide is for you. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to claim your free CELIA tokens safely, smartly, and without missing anything important. First of all, what is CELIA? CELIA is a new blockchain project designed to power decentralized financial services, especially focused on emerging markets. The CELIA token is the native currency of the platform, and it plays a role in governance, transactions, and staking. The team behind CELIA is using this airdrop as a way to reward early supporters and grow the community before the project fully launches. An airdrop is when a crypto project gives out free tokens to users, often for simple tasks like signing up, sharing a post, or using a wallet. It's a common way for a new project to build awareness and give people a chance to hold the token before it hits exchanges. But not all airdrops are safe, so it's important to understand how this one works. Now let's break down how to claim your CELIA airdrop step by step. I'll be showing my screen so you can follow along. Step 1, download the official CELIA app. To ensure you download the right airdrop, click the link in the description below. Step 2, enter the app. Go ahead to create an account by filling in the required details. Fill in email address, password, gender, country, your referral code. Complete your account by following the instructions. Step 4, to start mining, click the mine button. You may be asked to watch ads. You can also refer. Also claim your airdrop, do the required task, and submit. Step 5, receive tokens. Always be careful. Never give out your private key. Use a separate wallet if possible, just for airdrops. That way your main funds are never exposed. And double check all links. If you're not sure, check the official CELIA website or their verified social media handles. CELIA could be one of those projects that really takes off, especially if it solves real problems in decentralized finance. By joining the airdrop now, you're not just getting free tokens, you're entering early before it becomes mainstream, and even if it doesn't blow up immediately, it's still free crypto that costs you nothing but a few clicks. Now you know what CELIA is, how the airdrop works, and how to claim it step by step. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing. More crypto walkthroughs and tutorials are on the way. See you in the next one.